Acctek Machinery Company Limited, Shandong, is a professional manufacturer of laser machines and CNC routers. Our machines were designed and developed from extensive knowledge. Our main products are laser cutting machines, laser marking machines, laser cleaning machines, and laser welding machines. Stock and customized solution for each individual needs are our specialty. We also support OEM and ODM for customers. All the products are certificated by CE standards. The main components for our machine are sourced from world-class suppliers. After years of development, Acctek Group owning 2 branches now. We have been to several international exhibitions that were held in different countries. Also, we serving customers from more than 120 countries and regions. Acctek not only supply quality products and solutions, but also provides each customer with comprehensive after-sales and follow-up services. At every stage of machine setup, you'll have the supports of our professionals. We help you understand the installation, operation, and optimize processes to bring out the best in your machine. We are also able to send out our engineers to your workshop for installation and training if there's necessary. Our dedicated team means that you can buy with confidence. Apart from the products and service, we are also committed to a mindful and ethical business practice. We welcome customers and potential business partners from all over the world to work together cooperatively. We are Acctek. Our business is to improve your business.